Today is my first day in London. My name is Elena. I feel excited. I want to find a hobby, but what should I do? I look around. There are so many things to try. Cooking classes, music lessons, sports clubs. It is hard to choose. Then I see a sign on a door. Join our painting class. Painting? That sounds fun. But I have never painted before. Maybe I am not good at it. Maybe I will make a mess. I walk a little more. In the park, people are playing football. I love football. I played when I was a child. But they look professional. They run fast. They kick hard. What if they don't want a new player? What if I make a mistake? Next, I hear music. A small cafe has a group of people singing. A man plays the guitar. A woman claps to the rhythm. The song is beautiful. I wish I could play the guitar. But I don't have one. And I don't know any songs. Too many choices. Painting, football, music. What should I try first? I take a deep breath. I must decide. Painting class? I might be terrible. Football? I might fall. Music? I don't even know where to start. But something inside me says, just try. What will I do? I decide to start with the painting class. I open the door. A woman smiles at me. Welcome, take a seat. There are people sitting with brushes and colors. The teacher gives me a blank canvas. Paint whatever you want, she says. I look at the canvas. Whatever I want? But I don't know what to paint. Everyone else starts immediately. Some paint flowers, some paint faces. I hold my brush, but my hand stops. My mind is empty. What if my painting looks bad? What if people laugh? I hear a voice inside me. Maybe painting is not for you. I leave the class. Outside, I hear a whistle. The football players in the park are starting a new game. I walk closer. A boy waves at me. Do you want to play? I nod. The game begins. The ball comes to me. I kick it. Too soft. Someone takes it. I try again. This time, I kick too hard. The ball flies in the wrong direction. Oh no! People laugh. It's okay, someone shouts. But I feel embarrassed. Maybe I should stop. Maybe football is not for me. I hear a voice inside me. You are not good at this. I leave the park. I walk past the cafe. The music is still playing. The man with the guitar sees me. Do you want to try? He offers me his guitar. I hesitate. I don't know how to play, I say. Just try. He smiles. I hold the guitar. I press the strings. I strum. A terrible sound comes out. Someone giggles. I give the guitar back. I can't do it. I say. I hear a voice inside me. You are bad at everything. I feel small. Painting, football, music. I tried, but I failed. Maybe I am not made for hobbies. Maybe I should stop trying. Or should I? I walk away from the cafe. No painting, no football, no music. Maybe hobbies are not for me. But then I hear a voice behind me. Wait! I turn around. It's the man from the cafe. He holds the guitar. Nobody plays well the first time, he says. You just need to practice. I stop. Practice? I never thought about that. I always want to be good from the start. Try again, he says. I take a deep breath. I sit down. I hold the guitar. I press the strings carefully. I strum. The sound is better this time. Not perfect, but better. See, you are learning, the man says. I smile. Maybe I can learn. But then I remember my painting, my football game. What if this is just luck? What if I fail again? I stand up. Thank you, I say. But I am not sure. I walk away. I pass the park again. The football players are sitting on the grass drinking water. One of them sees me. Hey, you played well today. I shake my head. No, I didn't. Yes, you did, he says. You just need to play more. The first time is always hard. I stop. The first time is always hard. I remember the guitar. The first sound was terrible. The second was better. What if football is the same? Come tomorrow, the boy says. We can practice together. Practice. Again that word. I never thought about practice before. I always want to be perfect. I look at the painting class. I see people inside. The teacher is helping a student. She smiles. The student tries again. The painting looks better. Try again. I take a deep breath. Maybe hobbies are not about being good. Maybe hobbies are about learning. I look at the football team. I look at the cafe. I look at the painting class. I have a choice. Should I try again? I wake up early. Today, I will try again. But something feels different. I go to the painting class first. The teacher sees me. You are back, she says. She gives me a canvas. Just have fun. I hold the brush. No pressure, no fear, just fun. I move the brush. A little blue, a little yellow. The colors mix. I don't know what I am painting, but it looks nice. The teacher walks over. I wait for her to say, "It's bad," but she smiles. "Beautiful," she says. Beautiful? I look at my painting again. Maybe it's not perfect, but it's mine. I leave the class. Now, football. The team is waiting. "Elena, come!" They shout. I run to them. The game starts. The ball comes to me. Last time I was afraid. This time I focus. I kick the ball. It goes to the right place. My teammate catches it. "Good pass," he says. "Good pass." The game continues. I don't play perfectly, but I play better. I feel the difference. I leave the field. Last stop, the cafe. The guitarist sees me. "I knew you would come back," he says. He hands me the guitar. I strum. The sound is clear. Not amazing, but better. He nods. "Keep going." I play again. The sound is even better. Something inside me changes. Yesterday, I thought hobbies were about being perfect. Now I understand. Hobbies are about learning, about trying, about not giving up. I smile. I am not perfect, but I am getting better, and that is enough. I sit in the cafe. The guitar is in my hands. The football team is outside, waving at me. The painting teacher walks by and smiles. Something feels different. Yesterday, I thought I was failing. I thought I was bad at everything. But today, I see things in a new way. I strum the guitar. The sound is soft but steady. The guitarist nods. You are learning fast. Fast. Yesterday, I could not play at all. Today, the sound is better. I remember football. My first game, I kicked too soft. Then, I kicked too hard. Today, my pass was right. I remember painting. Yesterday, my canvas was empty. Today, my painting had color. I thought hobbies were about talent, but hobbies are about practice. I stand up. Now I have a choice. I could focus on one hobby. I could choose football, or music, or painting. But then, another thought comes. Why choose just one? I can paint on Mondays, play football on Wednesdays, practice guitar on Fridays. I can try everything. I don't have to be perfect, I just have to enjoy it. I smile. Yesterday, I was afraid to fail. Today I know the truth. Trying is the most important part. I pick up my guitar again. I strum with confidence. And this time, the sound is beautiful. 1 week later, my life feels different. On Monday, I go to the painting class. The teacher smiles when she sees me. Welcome back, she says. I sit down and start painting. This time, I don't worry. I just enjoy mixing colors. On Wednesday, I play football. The ball comes to me. I kick it. Perfect pass. My teammates cheer. Nice one, Elena. On Friday, I visit the cafe. The guitarist waves at me. Ready? He asks. I nod. I take the guitar and play a simple song. The sound is not perfect, but it's real. I stop. I listen to my own music. It feels good. I laugh. 1 week ago, I thought I was terrible at everything. Now, I know the truth. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to try. I look at my painting. It is full of colors. I look at my football shoes. They are full of grass. I look at my hands. They hold a guitar. 1 week ago, I had no hobbies. Now, I have 3. Maybe I will find more. Maybe I will try dancing, or writing, or learning a new language. The world is full of things to learn. And now, I am not afraid to try. I pick up my guitar, I take a deep breath, and I play. I used to think I had to be good from the start. If I wasn't good, I wanted to stop. But now, I know the truth. Nobody is perfect the first time. Painting, football, music, I wasn't great at any of them at first. But I practiced, I tried again, and I got better. Learning English is the same. Maybe your first sentence is not perfect. Maybe your pronunciation feels strange. Maybe you forget words, but that doesn't mean you should stop. Every word you say is like a brushstroke on a painting. Every conversation is like a football game. You get stronger each time. Every mistake is like a wrong guitar note. Just part of learning. I used to be afraid of trying. Now, I am not afraid anymore. So don't be afraid to speak English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to practice. Because one day, you will look back and see how much you have improved. And that day, just like me, you will smile.